So guys, today we're going to be cloning a website. All right. There are so many reasons why you would want to clone a website. Maybe you want to model it for your own website, or if you are using script to design a website and you are comfortable with the way the backend works, or you don't like the maybe front page and you want to use another front page for it. So you can actually clone another website and use as front page. So I'm going to actually make that happen now. All right, so after this video you should know how to clone a website. So let's just get into my computer immediately and start doing the job. All right. All right, so welcome to my computer, and we're going to be cloning the website. First of all, let me open up my browser and show you something. Okay, let's assume this is a website I have and I don't like the front page, and I want to clone a website I can use for its own front page. So this is the website we'll be cloning. All right, this is a website we're going to be cloning right now. So I'm just showing you so that you understand what is happening before it starts happening. So this is the front page we like. Let's assume this is the front page I like to use with this website. All right, so the first thing we have to do is to install our website copier. All right, our cloning software. Now the cloning software I use, we have so many cloning software there, but the one I use is HTTrack. If you're familiar with HTTrack, then that's fine. I'll tell you how to use it. But if you're not familiar with it, you can download it from online. And I already have it on my PC, so I won't be downloading it. But let me just show you how to download it. If we just enter, you can actually, okay, let's say just go to Google and type HTTrack. All right, it will open up, and there are so many other links here, you know, GitHub, but it's better you just download from their official website, HTTrack.com. So if you click on it, it will bring you to this page. All right, it will bring you to this page. So you can click here, as you can see, you can click download session here. It will open up this place, then you can click on this alternate site. If you click on this, it will not download, but if you click on this alternate site, it will download. All right, I won't download it because I already have it on my PC. It doesn't take time to download. Just keep, you know, just click and it will download. All right, it doesn't take any special complications. So let's assume you've downloaded your HTTrack. All right, what you do now, look at my own HTTrack here. It's already here. All right, let me open up the raw file. After downloading, all right, you install. Look at where I have the raw file here. I can, if you don't want to go and install or download from online, I can send you this raw file so I can just install directly. You understand? So installing it takes pretty easy steps. Let me see. Let's say I want to install it. I already have it in my system. Okay, I already have it in my system, so I'm not going to install it, but let me just show you. You know, you click on yes and just proceed. Let me now install it. All right, let me now install it. The installation is pretty easy. All right, just keep going, keep clicking on yes, accept the terms and conditions, and just continue going. It's normal installation. All right, so you don't have anything to worry about there. So once you've installed, and maybe while installing, you tick to that box that shows create a desktop shortcut. It will create the desktop shortcut for you here, as mine is on my desktop like this. So let's clone that website. First of all, if you want to clone the website, you double click. All right, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to, not just to clone. After cloning, I will upload it on the site and do the whole necessary things, link it up so that you know exactly what you are doing. All right, so if you want to clone, now if you just launch the HTTrack, it will open up like this. Then you come to next. All right, the project name, let's say you can name it anything. All right, you can name it anything. Under category, just put the same name. All right, then this is where it's asking you to save it. You can choose where to save it here. Where should I save it? Where should I save this now? Okay, let me just see under. You can save it under desktop. And I have a web oracle under desktop. So should I put it here? Let me put it inside the web oracle. You can create a folder and just, you know, put it. You know how to save it from anywhere you can. So So just click OK. So it's saved under Web Oracle here. Why is this thing disappearing? Okay. So you can just come and click on next. Right, if you click on next, it will tell you to add URL that you want to clone. So I'll just go to my browser here and copy the URL. I told you we are cloning this, so I'll just copy the URL. All right, so I'll just go back to my HTTrack here and paste it. All right, paste it, then click on next and forget about every other thing and click on finish. So it has started cloning. So you allow this until it's done. You allow it until it is done. All right, so let's just allow it to do its thing, and when it's done we'll come back and continue. All right, so as you can see, it has finished cloning. This is what it will look like after it has finished cloning. This is what it will look like. So all you just need to do is to click on finish. All right, click on finish, and if you want to clone on that side, you click on next and continue the same process. So let's go to our file manager and check out the files we've cloned. I saved mine under Web Oracle. You can actually save it anywhere. Look at it, Meraki. This is where I saved it. Now this is the website we've cloned. This is how it will appear. All right, this is how it will appear. So if I want to check the level at which it was cloned, I can open this index file. Just open it in my Edge browser to see how far it's cloned it. All right, so that is opening up now. As you can see, this is my browser, and look at it. I think it did a good job cloning it. All right, now there is something I want to tell you. Sometimes, all right, your cloning may not capture everything. That is some of the issues you'll be having with your cloning, but it doesn't matter. If it doesn't capture everything, you remove this section, just like here. Here wasn't captured, so I can remove this section while I'm editing. And sometimes, even if it is not captured and you upload it on a live server, all right, sometimes it just starts to the work because some of these plugins works with live server. This is opening it offline. All right, so this is it. All right, this is it. We've cloned this website, so what we're going to do next is to upload it to our server. So coming back to our file manager here, all right, this is how the file will look like. Inside the file, we'll still have the website itself, surextrace.com. So you just open it up. All right, open it up, look at it, look at everything here, look at the whole files here. So what we'll do is let's zip it up, because we can only upload the zipped file. All right, we can only upload it in a zipped format. So what we're going to do is to Control A. All right, Control A, then right click. It depends on which the PC you are using. All right, so mine, if you want to compress, you use send to. All right, compressed zipped folder. So depends on the kind of PC and the Windows you're using, but what happens is you just compress the file. Look at it here. So I'll just name it first front. There's a reason I named it first front. I'll let you know later. All right, so this is it, first front. So let's go to our website. Let's go to our website. Now remember, this is the look of our website. Remember, this is the look of our website. Don't mind the logo. Don't mind the logo for now. This is the look of our website. So I will just go to our server. All right, your cPanel, if you're using cPanel, or where you launch the website. This is mine. Let me refresh and see if it is still active. If it is still, or it has logged me out. Okay, still active. So I'll go to File Manager as usual, where you uploaded the files of the website you want to change the front page. So I'll just click on public_HTML. All right, so this is the files. These are all the files in the root folder. And there are so many ways to actually do this, but I'm going to give you the simplest way that works across every kind of website, whether it's a BTC investment website, Korea, online banking. So long as the back end is intact, you can actually manipulate anything and use any kind of front page. All right, so I'm going to give you the shortest. Sometimes you can want to come here, add the files here, but because this is a different files from a script, I wouldn't want anything to complicate each other. So if you're not very deep into web matters, there's no need. So I'm just going to give you an option that I use that works. You just create a folder, a separate folder here. Look at here. If you're using Namecheap or any cPanel, it is easy. Just create a folder. If you're using any other one, just find a way to create a folder. Let me call the folder en, then create. So it's under this en that I'll be uploading our zipped cloned file. So I'll open up the en now, and I'll wait for it to open, and I'll just click on upload. All right, select. So we'll go to that our zipped file. I think here. Go to that our zip file. Remember, this is where it is, first front. So I'll just click on it and open it and allow it to load. If you have a very fast network, this wouldn't take much time. So I'll just allow it to load. I want this video to be as very fast and short as possible. So I may just have to cut this video and come back again when this thing must have finished uploading. All right. All right, so as you can see, it has finished uploading and this thing has turned green. Normally, after if you're uploading something on cPanel, you allow it to turn green before you actually go back. So let's go back. This is it. So I'll just click on it, right click, and extract. All right, so extracting it. It is extracting. All right, let's just wait for it to finish extracting. Okay, good. That's finished extracting. All right, so this is the whole files we cloned, so it's already here now. So let's see if we actually captured everything. First, let's text it and see if we captured everything first. There are some websites that are very difficult to capture, but it's just a few websites. All right, so if you are handling those kind of websites, if it doesn't work, maybe you find another website to clone. But generally, it's just like 1 out of 10 websites that doesn't capture everything completely the way you want it. So this works almost all the time. All right, so this /en, click on enter. I'm trying to see if the files were cloned actually. See, so everything is here, everything is captured, everything is captured. As you can see, it is looking good. You see, we are good to go. Actually, we are good to go. So you see, everything is captured. So what we have to do now is to start editing. All right, what we have to do now is to start editing, to convert everything to our own, to customize it and link the login and register page to our own website. All right, so let's quickly do that. But first, you would want to redirect your website to this URL so that anybody that clicks on your website.com or .org or .anything, it will redirect a person to your cloned your front page. All right, a lot of websites has either their front page is on the root domain, that is like this, all right, on the root domain, and maybe their backend is on a folder or a subdomain, a folder like this or a subdomain. But this one, we are using our front page on this folder and the script will be here. All right, I don't know if you're getting what I'm trying to say. It's very simple. So first of all, let's go and redirect our website to this particular URL so that when you click on the website, it goes to this place. So what you have to do to redirect, you come to your cPanel here, you go down to, you look for redirect, all right, somewhere here. But if you don't want to look at it here, redirect. But if you don't want to scroll and look for it, you just come to search and type redirect to bring you right here. So let's click on redirect. All right, click on redirect all domains. We'll just select this domain. We are trying to tell this thing that once anybody clicks on that domain, it should redirect to this place. I don't know if you're getting the point now. It should redirect. So just add All right, add, then go back. Okay, this is done. So once I click on this website, let's assume I want to access this website now, it automatically take me to the corner. Let's say this.com, enter. As you can see, it has brought us here. So this is now the front page of your website. So now what we are going to do now is to edit this. I'll edit some few things, not everything, so that it will give you an idea on how to edit every other pages. All right, as you can see, we have about us, this. There are so many pages here, so I'll just tell you how to edit all of them. But for now, let's just go. I will use the index file. This is the front page now to show you how to edit it. So come back to your file manager here. Remember, this is your file manager. Click on cPanel. This is our file manager. This is where we uploaded those files. Remember, hope you still remember. Let me go back so that you see under public.html en. All right, if you're using hosting, I see the same thing. Every hosting, this is just basically the same process. It's just that you're going to have some kind of small changes, along the line. Small, interface. The interface is just what's different. Everything is just normal. So the front page of every website, most websites, always index.html. So once you launch a website, the internet will first look for index.html and provide it to users. If it doesn't see it, it will find index.php. So this is the front page. This front page now is this. Where is our cloned website? Okay, this is it. So this front page now is this. Remember, we are cloning a website that has short threads on it. So we are going to be editing the whole short threads, and this get started button now is a register button. So we are going to connect it to our own. So first of all, you come here under index.html. This is the front page. You right click, you edit. All right, you click on edit. So first of all, you come to short threads here. If it is not so visible here, you can just come to search and click on it and search for it. Well, this is visible, so I'll just highlight it. All right, I'll highlight it. Now, if you are editing, you have to be very careful. Now I'm going to show you something. It doesn't happen like that in every script. It happens in some scripts, in some websites. All right, in some websites, once you just highlight the short threads, click on search, come here, open it, and put your own website name, let's say, so that everywhere it sees that, it will just change it to this. All right, so if you click on replace all to replace it everywhere it is. Now let's click on replace, but I want to show you something with this. Let's click on replace all. Let's click on replace all, then click on save changes. All right, then let's come here and reload our page and see. Control F5. Let's reload our page and see. As you can see, it doesn't have it now has Merakit, it doesn't have short trace anymore. Look at it. As you can see, it doesn't have it. So this one just it didn't complicate things for us. This one just went straight to the point. It didn't complicate things. Sometimes when you replace all, it will change some kind of settings, some CSS settings in there. So you have to be replacing it one after the other. But this one is very pretty simple. So it's replaced all. All right. So everywhere you see short trades, it will now change it to the name of your own website. So that is that for that. All right. So you are going to do this across all the pages. Now, all these pages, look at all of them here. All right. So if you want to know, these ones, they named it differently. Some will just name, if it's about us, they'll just put about.html. But this one, they put index b3, they put it in so many of these kind of, so how you want to know the particular page you're editing is, let's say this is the website. I want to edit responsibility. For instance, if you click on responsibility, it will open up. Look at the link, look at the direct path to it. Now look at this place I'm pointing. This is the direct path to the file. So if you come to this place, all right, now this thing is not look at it, index 46 EB. So come here, look for index 46 EB, Look at this index foxes b is eb, and you just right click and edit. I don't know if you understand. So once you edit it, it's fine. The same way we edited the other one. Find short traits and replace with your own, depending on the website you're cloning. Now there is something else we have to do. There's something else we have to do. Now remember this previous website. This is the previous look. I want to get the login and sign up URL. Now this is login. Let's click on login. All right, let's click on login and see something. So let me log out first. Sign out. I was already logged in, so that was why it just brought me there. Okay, this is where it is. But you see this website now, we already redirected it, so we can't actually access that one again. But the login link to that other website, you should know the login link of your website so that you can just replace it. The login link of that website is, let me show you. Let me copy this, open another tab. This is the login link. As you would see now, you see, this is the login link of that website. So I'm just going to copy here. All right, copy the login link and go back to our front page. We are using our front page. You remember this is our front page. So let's just find the login URLs of this place. Login. Type login. All right, type login. Now, this is the login URL. This is the login. You see login here. This is href. This is sign in. When you click on sign in, it brings you to this page. So inside this login, inside this curly bracket that has this login, some we have only just login. Some will have the website URL / login. So whatever it is in your own case, you just find out. If you're having any issues, you can just contact me, screenshot and let me know what you are facing. But this is the login link. All right, so you just replace it with, okay, if you have highlighted it, as you've just highlighted it, so that will replace or come back to this search, click it so that it automatically brings this thing here, as you can see. Then click on this plus sign to drop it down. Then let's paste our login link here and replace all. So anywhere it sees this now, it replaces it with this. All right, as you can see. So the next thing you have to do is sign up. Sign up. Look at the sign up login. Some websites will use register, so you just find it. All right, but this one is using sign up. All right, so look at the sign up this thing here. So I'll just copy the whole this thing inside this. This is the sign up page. All right, I'll just copy everything inside here. All right, and click on this search again to bring it to this place, and click on this plus sign. Now let's go and find the login page of the website you are using the script, the register page. So create account. Let's create account and just copy the page. Look at the page here, the link to the pages. So I'll just copy it. All right, and go back here. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. And just paste it here and click on all to replace everything. All right, then click on save changes. All right, so now let's go back to our cloned website here and let's refresh, and I'll show you what I just did. Let's refresh. So refreshing it now, if we click on sign in, it will now take us back to the script. Sign in. Normally before, if you click on sign in, it takes you to this particular script sign-in page, but now you see clicking on sign in brings you back here. All right, so that is how it's done. Look at get started, it means sign up. So let's click on get started. It brings us back here, so the person can register here and continue into your script. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm trying to put here now. So what you have to do is just as many pages as possible in your cloned website, you edit everything and redirect the whole login and register button to your own script or backend or whatever. That is if you are having a script that has backend. But if you don't and you just want to practically just model this for your own self, you just clone it, edit it, then maybe add your own pictures and depending on how you want to do it. All right, so that is that for that. The next thing we are going to do now is to change this logo. Let's change this logo now to our own. All right, so I'll just cut this video here and just continue with the next session. Okay, so we are back here, but we want to change the logo. So what you're going to simply do is come here. If you don't know the part of the logo, the parts, what I mean by parts, I mean the file part of the logo. All you have to do is just come to the logo here as it is here, right click and click on inspect so that you know the file part of the logo. As you can see, the logo is in under image, then this is the logo name here. All right, wait, let me quickly copy this. As you can see, this is the direct URL, the direct place, the path to this logo. Let's say we'll paste it here. I want to copy the logo name. This is the logo name, opulent 3 minus /1. So I'll just copy it because I'm going to name my logo this, so that I'll just upload and replace it. And remember, this is our logo part, the website, which is the root /en/image/this. So let's go back to our cPanel. Let's go up one level, go up another level, so that we'll come back to this place. So this is the root, click on it. All right, then this is en, click on it. Remember, image, click on it. This is the file part. Then under here is where we have the logo, opulent something 3/1. Look at it here. So if we view this image now, right click and view, you see that it has this image. All right, now let's change it. That's how it changes is upload. You must have designed your logo. Click on select. My logo is here, Marika logo. So I'll just right click and rename it to the particular name that I want to. So that once I just upload, I'll just replace it. So if I click on open, it will tell me to replace. I'll just click on yes. Voila, it has replaced. So let's come back here and refresh. If you just refresh, it won't show up because it's already catching your system, but you can click on Ctrl F5 to force reset. You see, as you can see, my logo is showing. All right, my logo is showing. On your own website, you can design a better logo, but this is my own idea of a logo and it's cool for me. So I've changed the logo. So this is it. We've cloned a website and used it for another. So that is how it is. Look at the logo is changed here too. If sometimes the logo here may have this different part with the logo here, the footer logo and the menu logo may have. So you just right click to check, but they are in the same part. So you just replace everything at once. So that is that for that on how to clone a website and use for your own practice or for your own website. Remember, like I said, there are so many reasons you may want to clone a website. All right, and to be to add the kind of disclaimer, this particular tutorial is strictly for educational purpose. All right, whatever I use it for is strictly on you. All right, so thank you very much for watching to this point. And at this juncture, I would like to take my leave. And if you've not seen me before, my name is Uwan Collins Ugochukwu. All right, and right now I want to sign out. Peace out.